Jumbo. First possession, Blue. Trey to Bob. Bob escapes Jesse, no good. Rebound by Boss Rene. To Gale, Jesse for three. May alcohol pang sa katawan niya. 3-0. Bakais. Bob. The Trey. Bert. Jumper. Short. Goots. Rebounds it. Boss Rene, no good. Bert controls the board. Gives it to Trey. Trey to Bob. Bob for three. Strong. Rebounded by Bob. After Trey. Lovin. Stop Burla. 3-all is the score. Gale, nope. Lovin, rebound. Steal by Boss Rene. What an escape. Completely stolen by Trey. Ahead is Lovin. Oh, nandun pala yun. Assist by Lovin. 2 points for Jay. 5-3. Jesse. Sayang yung nasalo. Third rebound. Bob. Fake. Escapes Jesse. Strong shot. Rebound. Lovin. Oh, lambot ng tira. Just 2 points. Just 2 points. 7-3 is the score. Just a 2-point shot for Lovin. Boots. For Rex. Nope. Lovin another rebound. Bob. Jay using the glass. Wow, what a pass. Pass from Bob. 2. Jay for 2. 9-3. Sais ang kalamangan. Goods. Cross court to Jesse. Last touch by Blue. All remains with the Lakais. Oh, nice steal! Oh, sayang. Steal, grabe. Sayang ba yun? Deliver ba natin steal? Bigyan na natin ng steal. Oh, lagyan mo na rin ng turnover. Jesse, another 3! Yeah! 9-6 all the scores of Lakais from Mr. Jesse. Rex. Bert. To Trey. Oh, in and out. Taylor with a rebound. Rex. Power move by Rex. Basket is good. Foul on number 62. Bob's first personal first team foul on the shield. After the first free throw, we do a substitution. Oh, it's a bonus shot, sorry. Oh, substitution. The score is 9-up. Everybody on the bench should play. Thank you. Here we go. 4 minutes 40 remaining. 9-up. No timeout score yet. 3. Oh. Mount Jose with a steal. But the boy jumper strong. Hill controls the board. Bob recovers, Bob recovers it, but he got fouled by Ray on Ray. Number 12, first personal on Ray. First team foul. Traveling on Bob. 3 minutes 45. Score is tied, 9-all. Oh, there's a offensive foul on number 84, Mount Jose. That's Mount Jose's first personal, second team foul. Steal by Mount Jose. He passed the game. Rex for 3, short. Long rebound by Wala. He did not complete the possession. And therefore, according to Wikipedia, Trey Strong. Kill rebound. Rex 2 against 1. Against Jason. Brings it up. And another and one opportunity for Rex. Foul on Jason. That's his first personal. Second team foul on the shield. Goalie shot for Rex. Bong, no basket. Bong controls the board. Ray. After Julie closing up against Jeff. Good defensive stance by Jeff. Jinxon. Jeff, yes, what a pass by Rex. Assist to Jeff. 4-2. Ibawat sa comment kay Hill. Nakabasket na. Cards! Yeah! Two-big ka naman kay Hill. Back-to-back basket. Boom. Piece of Hill. Yes! Almost a turnover. Boom. Check. 3-second violation. Blue side. Score is 30 up, 30 all with time remaining 1 minute 5 seconds in the first quarter. Mount Jose for 3. Didn't hit the rim. It's blue ball. 55 seconds. Bomb decides to pass it to Jinxon. Back to bomb. Oh, steal by Gale. Bounce out to Rex. Rex ahead. Yes, he was able to control his composure for 2. 15-30. 2-point lead by Lacais. It's now a lead by the Lacais. 23 seconds remaining. Trey to Julie. Julie hooks. Pass to Jinxon, fakes. Jumper for 3, no. Jeff controls the board. 5 seconds remaining. Steal by Trey. That's it for the first quarter. The score is 50-30. Ball possession, red. Let's go. It's not a timeout. First five of the second quarter. Ball possession is red. Ball possession is red. Now next possession is blue.
Is that one blue? Need one blue? Dapat sa amin, Trey was holding the ball.
One more blue. Boston there, but he got blocked by Levin. But Boston there recovers it. Still gets the ball. What?
Pops namin.
Over there. But he got fouled by Lovin. McLovin, that's his first personal, first team foul on the shield. Jesse to Goods. Goods. Steal by Jay. Lovin. Bert. Jay. 3 for Trey. Nope. Then rebound by Rex. Rex to Gale. Gale making his move. Decides to pass to Jesse. Jesse versus Trey. Oh, pasok ka na yun! Tawag ka natin assist yun. Sige na nga. Assist by turnover by Blue. Assist by Jesse. 2 points for Gale. The intention was there, so we put it as a mistake. Yung execution lang yung... Rex to Jesse. Ako na naman. Parang bago. Okay. Drive to the basket. Short. Got the rebound. Trey got the rebound. Pass to Bob. Bob. Oh, strong. Rex. Bounce pass to Gale using the glass for 2. Assist. Rex. 2 points. Gale. Jay. Bert. Strong rebound by Bert. Pass it to Trey. Love it. Walang patay. Ay! Yan na. Kaya hindi pumasok yung malambot na tira. 19-13. 6-point lead. Jesse! No. Yeah, controls the board. Score is 19-13.
Long ball!
Jesse again for 3. Twenty-two, 13. 9 na po naman ng Lakais. Bob for 3, short. Tap by Jay to Trey, no good. Controlled by Gale for the rebound. 6 minutes 20 remaining in the second quarter. 11. Rebound. Trey. Bert. Yes, Bert, sayang. Rebound by Logan, follows it up for 2. Rebound and 2 points. Logan.
Nasobrahan ng duta yan.
7-point lead by the Lakais. $1 Artiventus. Rex. Back to Rex.
Nice.
Yes, floater. Wow. 24-15.
Blue ball.
Substitution. Let's do this. 4 players.
Alam mo yan, Bert? Nasobrahan ng duta yun. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Blue ball, according to the ref. 9-point lead by the Lacares. Rex to Ray, making his move. He traveled. 24-15, 9-point lead. Lacares. Jameson to Junli. Short. Rebound by Lacares. Rex, started by Jameson, makes his jumper, nope, Lacares! Offensive rebound blocked by Jay, a block by Jay, Jameson, oh, steal by Gale, but it's an anticipated pass by Gale. Mangose, bounce pass to the Mangose got fouled by number 11, Jason. Second personal on Jason. Second team foul on the shield. First basket for Mangose is good. Second basket is short. 25-15. Sakto ang kalamangan po ng Lacares. Jason to Jay. Takes. Passing it back to Jason for 3. Short. There, hook shot! Yeah! 3-3 for tonight. Nabangan ang best player. Si Hilda. Si Jesse. Here for 3, strong. Almost a rebound, but controlled by Bong. Long pass. Turnover by Blue. 25-17. Walo ang kalamangan po ng Lacares. 8-point lead with 2 minutes, 25 remaining in the first half. Guarded by Jay, pass to Rex. Double team. Gale throws it out for just a 2 points. 2 points only. 27-17. 2-point shot only. Last 2 minutes in the first half. Barbs. Against Jet. Back to Jimmy. To Jason. Ball. Pass it to Jay. Based on jumper is good for 2. Assist from Bong. 27-19, Walo, 8-point lead by the Lacares with 1 minute 40 remaining in the first half. Rex versus Jason. Well, Rex scoops to Gale. Gale throws a 3, nope. Boom, controls the ball. Lead pass to Jason. Jason against 2 Reds. Gale rebounds it. Pass to Rex. Rex against 2. Yes, power move by Rex. 29-19. 1 minute 5 seconds to go in the first half. 10-point lead by the Lacares. Posting up is Jay. Cross court to Jason. Bounce pass to Junli. Junli to Jay. He got fouled by this Papua Lakai. That's Manong Reyes. Second personal. One team foul. 2 shots for Jay. First basket is good. 29-20. 9-point lead. 30 seconds remaining in the first half. Ball rebounds. Jason waits for his teammate. Finds Barbs. The ball. 13 seconds remaining. Steal by Gale. 5 seconds. Gale around 3. Almost there. That's the end of the first half. The score is 29.
Jesse, defense.
Trey for three. Nope. Jesse controls the board. Gale to Goods. Goods again! Yes, what an escape by Goods.
Biha Goods, oy!
Good assist to Gale. Trey. Trey pass the ball. Lovin. Smooth shot. Yes. Net. 31-22. Total by Lovin. Good for two. Good assist the ball. Rex versus Trey. Magandang laban yan. Boss Rene, back to Gale. To Jesse, and again for three. Oh, sayang. Bird, rebound. Trey, pass to Lovin. To Bird. Back to Trey. Trey, the Bob. Makes his move. Yes, new jumper by Bob. Boss Rene, jumper, no good. Good defense by Lovin. 31-24-7. Pick the ball, Kalangaman ng Lakais. Lovin to Bert, to Bong. Bong for three.
Nag-pump fake lang yun eh.
Rex versus Trey. Not there. He got pushed. Well, 78, that's Bong. First personal on Bong, first team foul on
Narinig ko yun.
opposition. 3 shots for Gale. Yeah, first free throw by Gale. Good. Second free throw miss. One more.
Uncle Ricks!
Third free throw is good. Score is 33-24. 9 points. Ang kalamangan po ng Lakay. Bong to Bob. Bob back to Trey. Bert with a pick. Trey jumper. No, strong. Rex rebounds it. Jumper by Rex. It's short. Long rebound by Bert. Bert gives it to Bob. Trey orchestrating the play to Bob. Back to Trey. To Bert. Bert to Bob. He got fouled by Gale.
Gamay ram na, Bob. Bob, gamay ram na. Pangitag mapasahan ka ni Trey.
First personal on Gale. First team foul on the ice. Shots for Bong. First basket. Pasok. 33-25. Walong. Kalangaman. Second basket for Bong is also good. 33-26. 7-point lead by the Lakais with 5 minutes 24 remaining. Next net ball, we're gonna have substitution. Jesseline versus Bob. To Woods. Good spin. But he got robbed. Trey. Bong. For three.
Bob, Bob.
29, apat na lang po, 4.3. Next net ball, we're gonna have substitution. He got foul on number 47. Who's that? Trey. First personal on Trey, second team foul on the shield. 2 shots for Rex. Substitution. Those who have not yet played in the third quarter, please go inside the court. 2 shots for Rex. First basket, 34-29. Lima. Second basket, also good. 35-29. Back to a 6-point lead by the Lakais. Jackson to ball. To Jay. He got fouled by Jeff, number 38. First personal on Jeff. Jeff rebounded. Second team foul. Jose back to Rex for 3, short. Out, ball, blue ball. Time remaining 2 minutes 40 in the third quarter. 6-point lead by the guys, 35-26. Boom. Back to Jackson. Jackson looking for a teammate. Cross-court pass to Bong. Bong, jumper, yes! Just a 2 points, right? 35-31. Apat na lang ang kalamahan ng Lakais. Rex Space. He got fouled by Bong. Number 78. Second personal on Bong, 13 foul on the shield. 2 shots for Rex. First basket, good. 36-31. Short on the second, rebounded by Jay. Pass it to Jordan. To Jason. The ball. To Jay. Wow, what a pass! Rebounded by Gale. Rex to Jose for jumper. Yes! Favorite shot. Just a 2-point shot by Jose. 38-31. 7-point lead. Steal by Gale. 1 minute to go in the third quarter. Bounce pass to Gale. Gale. To Jose. Got by Gale. Pass away! What a pass by Jose to Ray. 30-31. 9-point lead by Lakais with 40 seconds remaining in the third. James jumper, he got fouled by 38. Jeff. Second personal on Jeff. Third team foul on the Lakais with 20 seconds remaining in the third quarter. 2 shots for Jay. First basket by Jay is good. 40-32. Time 1.8 seconds remaining. Timeout. Lakay. 40-32. team foul. But it's their ball. As the first timeout of the guys, no timeouts yet, or I mean, 2 timeouts still left for the Omniscient team. 1.2 seconds to go in the third quarter. Oh, what a pass! Oh, sayang. Nagpapiligalay sana yung timeout. That's the end of the third quarter, 40-32. Come on, let's play. This is not a timeout. Start the clock. Red ball. Fourth quarter. Next possession, blue. We have the 24-second shot clock.
Watch the pick! They call the picks!
Rex to Jesse for 3. 43-32, 11-14 by the Lakais. 50-second shot clock. Bert power move. He got down by Gale. Second personal on Gale. First team foul on the Lakais. 2 shots for Bert. First basket for Bert is good. First free throw. 43-33. Sampu. Second basket for Bert is good. Now down to a 9-point lead, 43-34. 15-second shot clock.
Call the picks!
10 seconds. Rebounded by Joey, fouled by Brooks. First on Goods, second team foul. Jay. Turnaround jumper by Jay is good. 43-36. Ito ang kalamangan ng Lakais. 15-second shot clock. Power move. Oh, Samuel!
Get open, Jay!
43-36, second point lead.
Get open, Jay!
Steal by Gale. Nakabawi. Jesse, the Goods, jumper, short. Rebounded by Trey. Trey pass to Bob God for 3, short.
Get back, LD!
Rebounded by Rex. 15-second shot clock. Oh, pass is too strong for Goods to throw it. 7 minutes, 7 to go. Bob for 3, short. Bob.
Time out!
Jump ball. Blue. Is red. Bert, power move. Yes. 43-38. Lima na lang ng Kalamangan with 6 minutes 30 remaining in the ballgame. 15-second shot clock.
Mare, kahit sino ba pwede mag-stop? Yeah.
10 seconds. Rex escapes. Jumper look. Rebound to. Rebound to Rex. Pass it to Boston for 2. 45-38. Jay jumper strong. Robin controls the board.
Low
Quick shot, who got fouled by
Sub.
number 15,
You shot.
Boss Rene. First personal on Boss Rene, 13 foul on Macais. First free throw by Logan is good, 45-39, 6-point lead.
Sub it for the shooters.
Macais. Second free throw by Logan, short. Hill controls the board, he got fouled by Bert. That's the second team foul. First personal on Bert.
5 na kayo. Si Bert, pang-anim.
15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Steal by Jerry. 2 against 2. Jerry. No! He taps the ball to the wrong man. Rex gets it.
No.
What's the name for the jumper? There for 2. All net. 47-39. 8-point lead. 4 minutes 30 remaining in the ball game. Love it. The trade for 47-42 na. Lumang kalamangan ng Lakais. 4 minutes 30 remaining. 50-second shot clock. Rex. Shot. Blocking foul according to the referee on number 78. That's wrong. Third personal on ball. Second team foul on Omnishoot. Rex to Jesse. Jesse looking for a teammate. Back to Rex. Foul on Jay. First personal on Jay. Third team foul on Omnishoot. Another foul on Jay. That's Jay's second personal. Third team foul. But 2 shots for Gale with 3 minutes 10 seconds remaining after the second shot. First basket by the ball, I got a Gale is good. 47-42, back to 5 points. 46. Oh yeah, 48-42, sorry. Second basket, 49-42. Go. 2 minutes, 35. 15-second shot clock. Jay power goal, good for 2. 2.5 minutes to go. 49-44, 5-point lead by the Lakais. Still a lot of basketball to play in this quarter, in this game. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. To Jesse fakes. Running jumper. Good for 2. 51-44. Last 2 minutes. Traveling. Last 2 minutes. 157 remaining. 51-44. Time out on the shield. 51. 1 timeout left for each team. 1 timeout left for each team. Time remaining 1 minute 57. 7-point lead. 1 timeout each. On the shield already in the penalty. Next foul will be 1-1.
Tinawagan ng travel yun. Makita nyo na yun sa replay. Ang ganun namin.
Rex escapes. Oh, steal by. Got the steal by Jesse. Rex to Jeff. Pass to Gale. 15-second shot clock. Jumper by Gale. 53-44. Well, 50-second shot clock. Foul. 38. Third foul on Jeff. 2 shots for ball. Time remaining 1 minute 20, 53-44. 9-point lead by the Lacais. 2 shots for ball. Their second basket is good. Second free throw is good. 53-45. Walo ang kalamangan. Foul on number 78. Bong. Free throws for Boss Rene. 4th personal on Bong. 1-on-1 for Boss Rene. 1 minute 15. First free throw for Boss is good. 54-45. Second free throw for Boss Rene. Good. Back to a 10-point lead with 1 minute 10 seconds remaining. Trey for 3. Nope. Ball rebounds it. Steal by Gale. All along is Rene, first it, waits for it. Only 2 more shot for Rene, long pass by Gale. 57-45. Short, Gale to Jesse, titira yan. MVP ka pag pumasok. 10-second shot clock. 25 seconds remaining. Logan, yes, for 3, 60-40. 10 seconds. Shoot! 2 points for Logan. That's it.